This is purely a courtesy visit from the stakeholders from Kaduna State. As you see, this is Kaduna in summary. Comrade Shehu Sani represents the central zone of Kaduna, which we call Zone 2. And distinguished Senator Sunday Marshall is from Zone 3, which is the southern zone of Kaduna, and I represent the northern zone. We are here to just pay a courtesy visit to Mr. President, our father, to brief him about the progress of APC in Kaduna and to tell him that APC has been accepted 100% in all the nooks and crannies of Kaduna, and to assure him as well that 2027 is guaranteed. Landslide from Kaduna from Zone 1 to Zone 2 to Zone 3. You know, earlier in the other dispensations, Kaduna has not been too lucky for APC because the acceptability of APC was just limited to Zone 1 and Zone 2. But because of the ingenuity of our governor, he has been able to reach out to Zone 3, which used to be predominantly PDP, to come and join us in APC. And today, the story is APC is the dominant party in all the three zones. My brother, distinguished Senator Sunday Marshall, not quite 2 months ago, he decamped from PDP to join us in APC, along with all the other rep members from the PDP extraction and House of Assembly. So what we are experiencing today in Kaduna is more or less like a one party. So we just came to say hello to him and also to assure him that Kaduna is ready, party ready to ensure that Mr. President and all other elected, all other candidates under the APC platform will get landslide victory come 2027 election. In a summary, that's what we are here for.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Sunday Marshall Katum, representing Kaduna South Senatorial District. Like Mr. Speaker stated, we just came here to assure Mr. President that Kaduna is primed for the APC in 2027. That's basically it. We've done our homework and we are still working, trying to woo those who are still sitting on the sidelines to ensure that they come and embrace the APC. We've seen what the president has done, particularly for my senatorial district. He has given us a university, he has given us a federal medical center, and the governor has done so many projects in our senatorial district that never used to happen before. That shows inclusiveness, and that's why we are embracing the APC wholeheartedly.
Well, Kaduna State was the old capital of northern Nigeria. And since 1999, the northern part of the state have been voting either APP, CPC, and APC. But the southern part, which is predominantly Christians, have been voting the PDP. This is the first time in the history of our state where the Muslim North and the Christian South are all united and resolved to re-elect Governor Obasani and President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in 2027. And the resolve is factored on the achievement, verifiable achievements on the ground that have been made in the last 2.5 years. We have seen the intervention by the federal government in all areas, in health, in education, in infrastructure, and the governor of the state has been able to build bridges between the north and the south. He runs an all-inclusive government. And we can proudly say that the people of the state are now united and are determined to show their appreciation with the next election that is coming. Governor Obasani and President Bola Ahmed Tinubu have seriously given Kaduna State a new lease of life, if you compare it to what was the case before 2023, and we are ever grateful for that. And our presence here is to assure Mr. President that we will do everything possible using the factors on the ground, the projects on the ground, the achievements that have been made to ensure that we pay back for all that he has done to us.